Today we are going to make chocolate walnut oatmeal cookies. We require ingredients like butter 75 grams, low cal sugar 110 grams, atta or whole wheat flour around 75 grams, maida or refined flour 75 grams, 110 grams of oats, around 40 grams of chocolate chips, 1 egg, a little of vanilla essence, a pinch of salt and baking powder around 1 tablespoon and walnuts. So let's go to the process. We have got butter, around 75 grams of butter. We are going to melt this first. Melt butter. Add sugar. Mix. Cool the mixture down a bit. Once I have mixed thoroughly, keep aside for it to cool down. Flour, add the flour, the whole wheat flour, oats, pinch of salt, baking powder, vanilla essence, walnuts, chocolate chips, mix them thoroughly. Add the butter and sugar mix to this. Mix it thoroughly. Beat the egg a bit. Add it to the mix. For a better binding. Your cookie dough is ready. Deposit your cookie batter or cookie dough onto the baking tray around 20 to 25 grams or based on the size you want. It's time for baking. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius. Namaskar. Today we are going to make chocolate walnut oatmeal cookies. We require ingredients like butter 75 grams, low cal sugar 110 grams, atta or whole wheat flour around 75 grams, maida or refined flour 75 grams, 110 grams of oats, around 40 grams of chocolate chips, 1 egg, a little of vanilla essence, a pinch of salt and baking powder around 1 tablespoon and